back to Red Ted Art. Yes, we're celebrating St. Patrick's Day here, and we've made some fabulous Good Luck Shamrock cards, complete with rainbow, toilet papers and paper quilling. Come on, let's take a look and see how it's made. So you will need some green card and paper in different colours if you've got that, otherwise plain green is fine, some scissors, some cardstock, some glue, a toilet paper roll that you can colour or paint green first if you wish, and optional some rainbow colours to decorate your card with first. So I'm going to decorate the card first, so let's move that all to the side and glue down your rainbow strips. I'm just going to make sure that they fit. These are 2 centimeters by the width of the card. Just check that they all need to overlap a little bit. Just make sure I've got the distances right. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to start sticking it down. And then we can trim anything that needs to be trimmed. There we go. Nice rainbow card. Our shamrock. Take your toilet roll, fold it in half and cut 1 centimeter strips. You'll need 4. Take one, push it down and give it a really good squeeze, both ends. You really want it to stay as a heart. Into a little stem. Here we go, there we go, good. Now we want to glue these together and turn them into a little shamrock. Look, little toilet roll shamrock. Okay, look at that. Already really cute. You could leave it like this, couldn't you? But we're going to do a bit of paper quilling because it's fun. So for paper quilling, you take strips of paper. They should be the same height as the shamrock, so I'm going to do about 1 centimeter. You can use a toothpick, or you can use just your fingers, or a paintbrush works quite well. Just kind of secure that every so often, and then all you do is, I'll need the glue again in a minute. What you do now is you take your toothpick, you sort of wrap it round and basically create a curl. And then you let go. And that's your first paper quill. It's very basic and a very simple version, obviously, but we like it. So again, you take your toothpick, you wrap it, and you curl all the way around. And you create a whole bunch of these. few coils. We might have to make some more as we go along, but all we're going to do now is put lots of glue inside this heart and stick down our paper coils. Looking so cute, isn't it? Love it. There we go. Your paper quilled shamrock is finished. Isn't that adorable? So cute. A really good luck card for St. Patrick's Day. Anyway, if you like this craft, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And of course, above all, keep watching and keep making, and we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.